Hi, welcome to Live Mobile Technology. This is Jair speaking, guiding you for an installation of a Maglock. First, we'll be marking our desired position. With the template, we will drill holes on the marked surface for our mount. Please note, align the mount parallel to the door in order to provide proper contact with the door. On the opposite side, we will use a step bit to create a hole for the securing bolt. Make sure to secure the bolt tightly. Once aligned, mount the mounting plate to the bracket using the provided screws. Secure the Maglock using provided Allen wrench. Finally, connect the wires to the Maglock and finish up with the closing and securing of the plate.
Subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help me a lot. Visit me online at www.livemobiletechnology.com. And if you like this video, click on the like button for me at the bottom of the screen.